Kevin, Zhou, electronic project.
Well, hello everybody. My name is Kevin. I'm 10 years old, or maybe I think you guys already know me. Well, I was making Lego projects, but now I'm interested about making things using a solder or maybe with some glue guns. After my last project, I make a bit mess here, so I made this thing. My own vacuum cleaner, and it will suck in all these germs. Watch. And then, as you can see, all the germs here is trapped in this sheet of wool. Now, about making this, you'll absolutely need a bottle. You can see it here. You will need this piece of wool, a switch, you can see it, absolutely cables, an adapter connector. Well, actually, you can change the adapter connector into batteries if you want to make this thing portable. And if there's adapter connectors, absolutely adapters. And as you can see, this bottle cannot just be as tall as this, and it makes 1 liter. So there will be the cutter to cut the useless things. And as you can see back here, there are so many holes. Like, I think there's 1, 2, 3, oh my god, I can't count it. Okay, to make these holes, you will just use the solder and make a hole. And you might be asking, how will be the motor? Well, same, just use the solder and make a hole there. Now about the motor. The motor here is using the strong and fast motor. Don't use the fast but weak motors. And for the fan in here, it is using a sheet of plastic. So to make the fan like this, you could just make a circle, then cut with the number of spokes you want here. So with all of that, you can make one vacuum cleaner which will clean up your table. And so thanks for watching everybody. Goodbye, and please subscribe.